I am noticing such a difference in the shower when I'm using the product. My hair feels nice and soft. I'm also really amazed by the fact that the product goes such a long way when you use it.
I've been using the product nonstop, and I'm actually starting to get comments from people.
I'm still on vacation. I did pack 5 different hats and I haven't worn one. My hair is continuing to grow nice. It looks nice and thick. When I style it now, I don't notice as much hair in my hands or around the sink. So my overall experience with NIOXIN has been really great. My hair feels healthy, it feels clean, it feels fuller. I would describe my hair now as feeling and looking healthier. I'm seeing less of my scalp, which is a great thing, and it's just making me feel more positive about myself. I really don't talk about this with my guy friends, but after seeing such great results, I would definitely recommend it to them.